Hi guys. Hello. I'm in the suburbs. I can feel the breeze. Guess where I am? I am in the suburbs of Nairobi, and this is Joska. If you don't know, for someone mwenye hajawahi fika Joska, Malaa, that's where I am today. And I'm in a rooftop of this beautiful mansionette that I want to take you through. I want you walk with me as I walk you through this view. So guys, before we start, before we go inside the mansion, we see what is inside there. I would want you to know where Joska is located, because I know most of you have been hearing about Joska, about Malaa, about Kagudo Road, and probably they don't know where this place is. So from Nairobi CBD, you're gonna use Kagudo Road, which will Kagudo Road imeenda all the way to Ruai. Joska imeenda all the way to Tala. You know, Joska, Malaa, it is located in Machakos County, and this is where I am. From this beautiful mansion, I can see the road. And also ile kitu ingine mzuri, it is that government is working on Kagudo Road expansion. Wameanza kutengeneza the barabara. They are expanding Kagudo Road to a dual carriage. So this is the best time for you to own a piece of Joska, Malaa, this side of Kagudo Road, because let me tell you, in the next 5 years, this place will be on another level. Yeah, I remember my mom told me that there's a time, or rather, let me just say, one of my friend was telling me that there's a time alikuwa anauziwa a plot here at Kenya shillings, I think 150 for 100 by 100 alikuwa anauziwa na 300,000, and right now for you to get a plot here in Joska, it is from 800,000 and above. So yes, so take advantage of this. Let's get inside. Walk with me, guys. I show you what is inside this beautiful mansionette. So in 1, 2, 3, let's get there. So guys, you're most welcome. Let's start this journey to see this, what is inside there, what is inside this mansion. So as you can see, it has a spacious, it is seated at a 50 by 100 plot. Let me start there. And as you can see, it has a very spacious parking. You can park up to 4 cars, and you can see the Cabros outside, and also the gate. It is automated, and there is a neighborhood there, so it is not a place that utaenda uanze kukaa alafu ukwe like, hey, I'm here alone, I'm lonely. No. And there is a garden where you can plant your sukuma wiki and spinach. Yeah. Let's get inside. Let's see what is here inside. You can see it is very spacious. This is the living room. Okay, it is 280 square meters in total, and you can see the tiles, the finishes, beautiful tiles. I love the color, and also I love the gypsum, how it's done, and the natural lighting. You can see the chandelier. And guys, you know, there is no steamer in this house. We are just using the natural lighting, and you can see the way it is clear. So as you can see, this is a separate dining area with a chandelier over there, and a sink and a 𝐝𝐞𝐙𝐸 where you can wash your hands. Very spacious. And you can see the kitchen. This is now the kitchen. I love the kitchen. It is an open plan kitchen with a pantry, and as well as you can see the way it is spacious. I love the drawers and the color black, with some touches of like a this is what color? Gray. No, not gray. Cream. Yes, black with some touches of cream, and you can see you have enough space. You have enough space, enough drawers, as you can see, a space for your cooker, a space for your I mean the fridge, and this is the pantry. It is very spacious. This is the pantry. This is how spacious it is. It can even fit a small bed. Yeah, it is very spacious. So here you can imagine how spacious it is. This is the space for cooker and fridge, and also here inside there is a space where the stairs are going upwards. Here they decided to do it like a pantry, so you can make it a store or a pantry depending with how you would love it to look like. Then you can see here you'll be cooking and serving your guests or your family from kitchen to dining area, open dining area. Also, I love the well crafted gypsum, as you have seen it, and this is now the guest, or rather the common washroom. This is the common washroom, and from there this is one of the room. We can say it's a guest room. Yes, it is very spacious, and it's master and suite. It is master and suite, and you can also see the high-end ceiling. It is not ceiling zile zinakuanga chini. These are high. I love them when they are high, because even the time you hang your curtains, you hazitakuwa like zimelala chini. They will flow very well with the high-end ceilings, and also the wardrobe over there, and the natural lighting as well. So now this is the washroom. It is a master and suite, the washroom, and also the bathroom. Very spacious. It's spacious enough with a mirror there somewhere to hang your things, stuff. Yeah. So now, guys, walk with me as we go upstairs and see what is there. It is very empty. The house is very empty, and it's not clean. As clean, there's no one who is living there. So we go upstairs and see what is happening over there. Let's go there. Let's go. Come with me. I love the smoothness of these stairs, and I also love the tiles. Okay, the lighting, the walls, the finishes. So you guys, you can see we are getting there, and immediately after stairs on our right, this is the family room. We can say it's a family room, or it's a TV room, depending on your taste. You can use it as a family room, or you can use it as a TV room. It is very spacious with enough natural lighting, and yeah, you can see the way it is spacious. It can fit a family of like watu wa sita. Yes, mnakaa hapa mna enjoy even more than even. So guys, after family room, the next is one of the bedroom, and you can't wait to see what is here in 1, 2, 3. Let's get inside. And I hope you guys, you have noted the sockets are all over the walls. You don't have to struggle it. You want to go to the living room to charge your phone, and the space, the ceiling are high, not hizo ceiling zenye zinakwanga chini. The spacious windows for enough natural lighting, and the balcony. Yes, I love it. And also I love the tiles and the walls finishes. And here you go, the walk-in closet. Yes, here is the walk-in closet, and as you can see, it is very spacious. And the washroom, very spacious with beautiful tiles. I love the color of the tiles, and also I love the way it is spacious. It is a washroom versus bathroom, master bedroom, and you can see the finishes, the tiles. I love them because cleaning these tiles, you will not struggle to clean these tiles because they are the best quality, and in terms of color, they have the best color. The mirror there, and somewhere to hang your towel or to hang wherever you want to hang there. Somewhere also the sink. Yes, I hope you guys that you're still enjoying and you're working with me. You guys, my guy, don't get tired. Yes, that the walk-in closet, you have seen it as we were getting inside. Yes, so now the next, you have seen the sockets all over the walls. They are socket were everywhere to charge your phone or to charge your gadgets. Yes, so to the next one now. This is a little bit not spacious as the other one. Yes, but it is also spacious. This is for, like, you can say it is for your girl or for your boy or for, depending. Yes, it is also en suite, and the wardrobe, you can see it is enough. It has enough space, and also the you can see the washroom. Let me open the door so that you can see it is master en suite, and as well it has a spacious washroom and bathroom. Yes, with wonderful finishes as well. And I love the color, the white. Yeah, also remember that every room, or rather it is fitted with solar water heater, so you can use cold water, you can use warm water depending on. It is fitted with a solar water heater. Yes. So you have seen, okay, the room that we have viewed with the walk-in closet, that are master bedroom. So these are the other 3 bedrooms, or 4 bedrooms I mean, and all of them are master en suite. If you have seen, this is another bedroom with a washroom as well, master en suite I mean. Yes, so it means after stairs we have 2 rooms on your right, and we have 2 other rooms including the TV room and the master bedroom on your right. Master bedroom is on your right, and the other 2 rooms are on your left. Yes, as you have seen. So now I think we can get upstairs and see what is happening. So guys, now I want us to get upstairs and see what is there. And I hope you guys that you're still enjoying. You are still enjoying this mansion, this empty mansion, empty. You can imagine yourself living here. And this mansion has ready individual freehold title deeds for each unit, seated at a 50 by 100. Master bedroom with walk-in closet. You have seen them. You have seen the 4-bedroom all ensuite bedrooms. Spacious Sunken lodge. It is up here. Separate dining area. You have seen it. Open plan kitchen with pantry. You have seen it. Extra guest cloak room. Extra guest cloak room. You have seen it. Front garden. You have seen it. Cabro paved ample parking for 4 cars. You have seen it. Fitted with solar water heaters. I have already told you that the water system, it is heated with solar water heaters. The sliding gate, uniquely designed interior fittings and lighting fixtures. And also I love the color for these houses. Well crafted gypsum ceiling. You have seen them. And also the 2,500 liters water tanks per unit. Per unit, that is what you get, total inclusive. And wainscoting walls, you have seen the walls, how the walls are. And the perimeter wall with razor wire. Access to the rooftop terrace for relaxation and entertainment. Where we are now, you'll be chilling here, saying hello to your neighbors, enjoying having fun with your family, with your kids, or by yourself, you know, enjoying the breeze and the good weather in Joska. Guys, thank you for watching. And if you are new here, remember to hit that subscription button. I'm on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Please reach me to 1,000 subscribers and I will appreciate. Remember to watch this video, watch, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. I really do appreciate your support. Thank you so much and have a good time.